Hey, so we're in downtown Denver. We're here at one of our owner builder projects. It's actually an addition remodel. It's not a new build. So we're adding on to the back of this house. We're adding about 1,300 square feet. Like I said earlier, it's an owner builder project. So the owner of this home is actually project managing her addition herself. She's not swinging the hammer. She's not doing the work, although she does want to do a little bit of the work. But she's making sure our trades are showing up. They're showing up on time. They have what they need. They have the materials on site they need. And she works from home. She's got a kid. She's knocking this out of the park. She's very organized. She knows how to talk to people. And she's going to have 1,300 square feet extra onto her house. She doesn't have to refinance with our higher interest rates. So we're in framing right now. Got the foundation in, started framing. We're waiting on some steel beams that the owner builder ordered herself. And so the framers are going to get a crane out here, set those, and then we're going to be on to the second floor. So as an owner builder, you're not swinging the hammer, you're not framing, you're not pouring the foundation. I mean, you can do trim work, you can do tile work as much as you want, but what you're actually doing is you're a project manager. You're managing the day-to-day aspects of your project. You're following the schedule we'll make for you. You're following up with trades, you're contracting trades, you're bidding trades. Outside of that, it's just organization and time management.
And how does HomeWrights help back you up? Because it sounds like this woman really doesn't have any experience as a contractor. Mm-hmm. How does HomeWrights help?
Yeah, she's got hands-on experience in carpentry and stuff like that. But outside of that, she's a web designer. So how we help is we're there to hold your hand throughout the whole process. We build a custom schedule for you. We've got contract templates. We've got lien waiver templates. But we're there right along the way, helping you avoid pitfalls, avoid making mistakes, and keeping your project on track. Outside of that, you're running it yourself. So 2 or 3 things that I think make a very successful owner builder is organization, knowing how to talk to people, and not being afraid to talk to people. It's like everyday life. Different people communicate in different ways, whether it's text, email, phone calls, and you got to be able to find that way people like to be communicated with and do that with them. Everybody's different. Sometimes people need 2 phone calls a week. Sometimes people need 6 phone calls a week. But if you want to get your project done, you're going to be at the forefront of their mind, and the way you're going to do that is by constantly contacting them and being on the forefront of their mind.
As an owner builder, what are the financial benefits?
Right. So doing our owner builder program, there's a big financial benefit. So in a turnkey situation where you're paying a builder to actually build the structure for you, whether it's an addition, remodel, or a brand new house, you're paying them 20 to 25% of all hard costs. So if you order, a specialty sink from overseas, they're going to tack on 20, 25% right on top of that. For being an owner builder, we have a consulting fee. It's per square feet, but that doesn't change. As long as your plans don't change, which after you're permitted, you're not going to be adding square foot onto your plans. So our price doesn't change. It's transparent. It's upfront. You know what you're paying us. And then you can take that and then the number that you would pay somebody to project manage this for you, do some math, and we've got clients saving over $100,000 easy on their projects. If you're in Pueblo, Colorado Springs, Denver, Boulder, or even now Northern Colorado, you're interested in our owner builder program, you want to save a ton of money, build whatever you want, addition, remodels, or a brand new home, give us a call. We'd love to talk to you about your project.